In this video, we are going to see about the implementation of comparison functions. So we are going to implement this in a Fanuc PLC. So Fanuc PLC can be programmed using this VersaPro software. So first go to File, create a new folder. I'm going to name this as comp and give next and give finish. So the new folder is created. Then we have to go for the hardware configuration. And hardware configuration. So this window will be open. So click on that and give replace module. And the PLC available in our is IC200 UAL. So select that and give OK. And it asks for replacement. Give yes. Yes. And then here there is passwords enable. You have to disable it. So click on disable. And one more thing, we have to disable the switch run and stop. So that also disable. And then we can close this. Give save changes. Yes. So the programming can be done here. All the contacts and coils are available. All the function groups are available where the timers and counters can be taken and programmed in this window. I have already created a program and stored. So go to File and select that program. So in this program, the logic I have built is I have created a timer which has to count for count for 5 times, and there is a counter which will help this timer to time for 5 times, and the value will be compared with an equal function. So here first is a contact, so that is given to this timer. When this contact is on, this timer will be on, and there is an output. This output is given as a reset line here. This output is given as a reset line here. So once this timer is finished, this output will go on and reset the timer. And this output is again given as an input to this counter block. So when this timer goes on, this will make a false to true transition, and the counter will count to a value of 1, and the output will be on. Again here this output was given as a reset line here, and there is an equal block which compares this count value with the preset value given here, which is equal to 3. So the counter accumulated value will be compared with this equal function and output will be produced, and this contact has to be always on for the equal function to compare the values. So once this is equal, the output will be produced. Okay, so here when this value becomes equal to 3, the output of this equal block will be on. So this program has to be stored in the PLC first. For that, go to PLC and we have to store the program in PLC. So go to PLC, select store. So select store hardware configuration, give OK. The program is stored in PLC, give OK. Now we have to place the PLC in run mode. Only then the program will execute. So click run PLC. So once that is done, so here we have 2 inputs. So the first input is the input to the timer, and the second one is the input to the equal block. So 2 physical inputs are present. So this equal input has to be always on for the equal operation to continuously take place. Now if we on that first input, so that is highlighted there, the timer will start timing to a preset time of 400. If it matches, the count will increment by 1. Okay, and when the count reaches a value of 3, the value is reached, so the equal block is highlighted, the output is on. And to reset this, we have to give a separate reset button. download the program. So we have to store it. Store hardware configuration and motion to PLC. Give OK. So store to PLC completed. Now we have downloaded the program into the PLC. Now click on run mode. Now when I make this input on, this timer will start timing, and the input to this block will also be, it has to be always on for the equal operation to take place. Okay, now when the switch 1 is on, so timer starts timing, and after preset time of 400, you can see the counter has counted to 1. Okay, now I have given an integer value of 3. Now the count value is 3. So you can see that this coil is enabled, and it is, once the count is not equal, this has become off. So this program will be taking place continuously.